4 Series B emphasizes signal viewing area with a big 13.3-inch high-definition display. Every knob, button, and touchscreen gesture has been carefully designed. Turn on channels, create new math, bus, or reference waveforms with a quick tap. Each waveform gets its own badge in the settings bar. If you don't like the order of the waveforms, you can change it. If you decide to remove one, just flick it off the screen. Select any waveform by touching it or from the buttons on the front panel. Traditional knobs provide fine control over settings. The backlight behind the knob clearly identifies the channel assigned to the control. If you want to reconfigure something in one of the objects on the display, just double-tap it to open its configuration menu. Tap outside the menu to dismiss it. Now let's use the measurement system to measure the rise time and peak-to-peak voltage on channel 1. Each measurement gets its own badge in the results bar. You can add callouts directly onto channels to highlight specific details and label the waveform. Pressing on the magnifying glass activates the zoom function. You can navigate with the zoom pan knob or by pinching to zoom or swiping to pan through the record. If you prefer using a mouse, you can plug one into the USB port and control the scope, the same way you would using the touch panel. I can use the same drag action to add some overshoot measurements. You can use results tables to display values in a tabular format. Results tables can be used for measurements, event search, and bus decode. With results tables, you can view statistics for the current acquisition and accumulated statistics over all acquisitions. You can use plotting to visualize a measurement's behavior. I'll turn on a time trend plot for the rise time measurement to see how it varies over time. You can use a histogram plot to view the distribution of a measurement. The 4 Series B can be remotely controlled over Ethernet or USB interfaces. The rear panel has an HDMI interface for an external monitor. It also has an aux out and output for the optional function generator. The user interface on the 4 Series B MSO works the way you expect and makes it a pleasure to use.